Hello everyone, so welcome back into another video. As you know guys, this is my first video of today on 7th December 2024 and as you know, this is our new adventure story just for you. Let's learn together with just adventure story. Just imagine this, okay? Remember that. Let's start. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to ride in the world's most expensive sports car? Guys, what, you have any sports car? If you want to share their names, so must write in the comments. Let's make fun, okay? Well, today we are diving into that experience with none other than MrBeast. Wow, MrBeast, just imagine, okay? And imagine a sleek, jaw-dropping hypercar that costs over $18 million. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of innovation, luxury, and the relentless pursuit of dreams. As MrBeast hopes in use, you can see the excitement on his face. But this is not just about speed or status. It's about what this ride represents. In this wild journey, MrBeast teaches us an important lesson. Success is not just about the money you make, it's about how you use it. He invests in crazy challenges and gives back to his community, reminding us that wealth can be our tool for change. As the engine roars to life, we are reminded that life is like driving this hypercar full of potential and speed, but it requires skill and responsibility. The world can be your racetrack if you navigate wisely, okay? So what can we learn from this experience? First, chase your passions relentlessly. Second, remember to uplift others along the way. And lastly, understand that true value lies not in material possessions but in the impact you create, okay? And so next time you see a flashy car or dream about luxury, maybe, okay, think about how you can turn that inspiration into something meaningful, whether it's giving back or pushing your limits. Let's make our journeys count. Who knows, maybe one day you will find yourself behind the wheel of your own dream car, just like MrBeast. Keep dreaming big and making those dreams a reality. Bye for now. Subscribe for more, okay?